is going on? There's that fucking car, dude. What the fuck? That's loud. I know. What the fuck, dude? All day and night.
Every day is a problem. You need to correct that or something for to stop putting the alarm on.
Yeah.
Street
Make the battery die out. Oh my god, dude. Like, really?
Like, what's wrong? I forgot about people that live like right there.
Fucking stupid. Like, what the fuck?
I bet you the owner of that car lives like on the other side of that road.
They don't even live here. Like, they're in guest parking. God damn. It's so loud. Oh, it just the lights. Big flash. What the fuck? It's like lit up right there. See the light out there?
Yeah, I do.
What is that? That's weird. Wow. It's everywhere. Listen, it's like all around us now. Coming from over there too. The fuck? Why is it all lit up right there?
That's true.
Do you want this blanket? Are you cold?
Yeah,
I have a sweatshirt on. Oh, there was light coming from that. There's flashes. Look at it. Looks like there's like fire, flames, or something. Look at that. Is there flames that are coming out of it? Or like embers? There's like embers. Look at that. What the fuck, dude? Oh, whoa. Are you seeing that? Oh my god. My fucking camera's not taking it up. Do you see that shit? What is that?
God, like, we things that we're missing. This is true.
Wow. Oh my god. Wow. My phone's not getting it. That is weird as fuck. What the fuck is going on? We need to throw those away later. No. Dude, that's crazy. It's like a portal or something. Listen to that shit. Look at that. It's like a portal. It's like coming from right there. Look at it, it's all lit up now. It's not getting any of it. That's crazy, that's like right where it's coming from. It's actually all around. What the fuck? I knew this was bad. I started hearing this 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Look at how weird that is. What the fuck? It's so loud. This is when you pray.
This is better start believing, huh?
Look at that shit. That's so crazy. I'm gonna turn off this light. I wanna see that.
It's gonna make it look brighter.
I know. He's probably like, what the fuck? I'm getting it now. That is weird. It is a portal, dude. Look, you can see all the things going up. Look at that. Oh my god. What?
That's not normal.
No. Are you seeing this? Holy shit. Is this really happening? What is that sound? Are you seeing this? What's coming from over there? Ew. Something really creepy. Look at that shit.
He's not the only one.
Look at that. Danny, it's the end of the world. Listen to out here and look at. Listen to all the noise. And there's a portal right there.
Excuse me. I was gonna think we were crazy.
Listen to all the noise. Listen.
That's not from the freeway?
No. It's laughing. It's demonic shit.
Beyond it.
There's a
Beyond the freeway.
portal right there. Listen. Just listen. The freeway's not that loud. Look at that thing. Out there. Look at. There's all this shit in the sky. See where it's lit up? Out there? There's stuff floating up in it. Do you hear the laughing all around us? That's not the freeway.
That's not the freeway?
No.
What is it?
That's what we're saying.
That's what we're trying to decipher.
It's all around us. It's so loud. Hear it? And then look it up. You can't see that. This is fucking crazy. It's coming from over there.
You can't hear 76 from here?
Not like that. It sounds like a machine.
Sounds like something in the sky.
Right there. Wow. It's so loud. What the fuck? This is crazy, dude. It's like. Look at the sky. What's fucked up, dude, is they're sacrificing children right now. That's what they do. Look at that. What the fuck? It's coming from way over there now, too. It's like right here.
Under the bridges, the tunnels, the gutters.
What if you were homeless right now?
Oh. When I was fucking like homeless, it'd be true. Especially like if you go to like you walk in the areas like the jungle.
Dude, it's right here. Oh my god. Look. Look at the sky.
The light. Is it?
Yeah. What is that?
It's one of the light that looks like it's flashing. You know.
It's flying really weird. There's two of them. Again.
One over there.
One right there.
Another one over there.
I don't know. You see that one? It turned into two. Look at. What is up there? Oh my god. Do you see that? That's what I saw earlier. Do you see that? Out there? Do you see it?
Yeah. It's like.
It's separating. And,
Almost like a Christmas light from a distance, but there's no fucking Christmas. There's no house up there.
and it keeps going like this.
Yeah.
And then. What is that? A spaceship? What the fuck is going on, dude?
If you look at the little floor here in the tree, into the sky, there's another one over here too.
There is?
You get to like
Oh, I see it. Oh my god. You're right.
what the fuck is up there?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're separating. What is that shit? It's the same thing that's over there. Oh my god. I got it on camera. Dude, what the fuck's happening right now? Oh my god. Oh my god. What is that doing? This is crazy, dude. This is nuts. Should I go get my kid? This is crazy. You're going in? Are you coming back out? This is too crazy. It's a spaceship, dude. And so is that. They're just hovering. That one keeps separating. Oh wow, this one separated. Oh my god, look. One just came off of it. Look at it. Holy shit. Oh my god, that's a huge spaceship. Look. Oh my god, it's a spaceship. It's a fucking round spaceship, dude. Oh my god. I'm not shitting you. It's a fucking spaceship. Look at the lights. Look. Oh my god. Do you see the spaceship? Oh my god. It's round, dude. Oh my god. It's cut. Look at. Do you see it? It's got lights going around it.
Oh, I can see from right here.
Do you see it?
Yeah, here I can see up to the same time.
It's round, huh?
You can see it.
It's round. It's fucking round, dude. No. Oh my god. Fine, let's go. Get inside. Dude, this is real shit.
This is.
Oh my god.
I wouldn't do it if because I feel like it's telling the truth, or like.
Dude, it's round.
So
Danny, there's spaceships out there. Big, huge spaceships right now.
I can't have good vision. You have
No,
binoculars?
you can see them. They're huge.
Yeah,
It's huge spaceship out
You
there.
can see them?
Yes.
You can see them?
Dude, Danny,
Where?
this is happening right now.
This you have the video of it.
Yes, I do. But go out there and look with your eyes. I'm about to get Tatum up because it's the end of the world, I think.
What is the noise? Is that what that noise is?
Yes! This is insane, dude. I've heard this for 4 years. And Dan thought I was crazy. But I've never seen this before. I'm going back. Look at, there's another one. Danny, hurry. They're all over the sky.